Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we'll be making churro waffles. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this great recipe on a website called Chichica Chocolates. I'll leave the link down below where you can find the great recipe at. The ingredients we're going to need are, we're going to need canola oil to spray our waffle maker, 3 shakes of cinnamon plus extra for topping, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 cups of flour. I already have my cinnamon made for the topping, so cinnamon sugar, and 1/2 cup of butter, and 1/2 cups of warm milk. To our bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of our baking powder. Three, 4. And we're going to mix that together. To a separate bowl, we're going to add our eggs. When I do my eggs, I put them in a bowl first, then I pour them in, just to make sure I don't get any shells. I'm going to whisk these together, just till they're all broken. As you see, they're all broken up. We're going to add a teaspoon of our vanilla. I'm going to add my 1/3 cup of butter. And I'm adding 1.5 cups of warm milk. And we're pouring it in as I beat. Mix my eggs together. You don't want it too hot or you'll end up with scrambled eggs. I almost forgot to add my cinnamon to my wet ingredients, so you only need 3 shakes. I did a little over 3, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be a little bit cinnamony. We're going to beat that in to get it well mixed. Then I'm going to add it to my dry ingredients. I'm stirring as I go along. I have 2 mini waffle makers. I like having minis because I can freeze them and take out what I need. I don't eat a lot at a time, so these are perfect, but I don't want to be making waffles forever. So I have 2 minis. They're not heavy, they're lightweight, and they don't really take much space. So let's spray our 2 mini waffle makers. You can certainly make this on a big waffle maker if you have one. Just put as much of the batter as your waffle maker can handle. Try to put it in the middle. Okay. we just wait. Our waffles are now done and ready to take out. Nice and golden brown. We're going to spray it again. You know, I normally spray every single time so they don't stick. Oops. Another good scoop in the middle. See if you can see this. We are going to dip our waffle in our butter, both sides. Then stick it, I'm going to shake it out a little so it won't get too clumpy, and put it in a bowl of cinnamon sugar and get both sides. Just like that. Show you that one more. Just like this, see? Want to make sure you try to get it all covered. Put to the side and continue. Okay, our waffles are finished. I played up mine that I'm going to have right now. I did not put the cinnamon sugar on a lot of these because I'm going to put them in the freezer on a cookie sheet individually. Then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag. I could take them out one at a time, put them in a toaster oven, warm them up like you warm up frozen waffles, dip them in butter and churro, and I have my churro waffles for later. And now for the fun part. We get to try our churro waffles. They smell so good. And now for the fun part. We get to try our churro waffles out. Mmm. 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 So good. Just like churros, but in waffle form. How easy is this? And great to put up in the freezer. Take it out of the freezer, put it in the toaster oven, warm it up, and put your cinnamon sugar topping on it, and you have it for another day. It's great. I love mini waffle makers because I can make a bunch, take out what I need, and not waste it. Because you can always have more in one this way, and not feel like you're wasting anything. It's perfect. It still works so good. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notifications on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!